Welcome, friends. Today we will see the control statements. Control statements. Okay. What first of all, what is control statement? Control statement are used to control the flow of execution of program. What it control the flow of execution of program. Okay, which can control the flow of execution of program, that is known as control statement. And we have different types of control statement. First is selection control statement. If else or switch case type. Okay, these two types. Second is iterative or looping control statement. Control statement. In this, first is while loop, second is do while type, and then for. Okay, then third type is jump. Sorry, jump statement. Jump statement means this is type break, continue, and third is go to. Okay, so one by one we can understand the control statements. First is selection control statement. In this, the program is executed based on the condition. If you want to define this, then you can write it is used to execute the statement in a program based on the condition. Means execution based on condition. Okay, in the short way, remember, and you can expand these three words in your language accordingly. It is used to execute the statement in a program based on a condition. Okay, in this, first is if else, second is switch case. We can write first if else. If else means if a bidirectional condition control statement which check a condition, and if condition is true, some block of statement are executed, otherwise some other blocks of the statement are executed. Means this is the definition of this. If you want to write, then you can write suppose have syntax for the if statement is syntax then definition will be clear. Let me clear. If here is a condition, okay, if this condition is true, then you have to you can execute this line, okay. If condition, then 1 2 3 different statements is there, then all the statement is executed, block of statement, okay. Then if condition is not true, if condition is not true, then else part will be executed, okay. It may be more block of statement here and more block of statement here, it doesn't matter. If condition is true, then this block is executed. If this condition is false, means a less than b, a greater than, like this type of condition is there. If this condition is true, that means this block of statement are executed, otherwise else part this executed, okay. Hope you understand the point. Otherwise, in simple way, if fifth type, if condition, here is a condition, okay, here block of statement, if true then execute this, otherwise else. If again here is a condition, if this then execute this, otherwise else. If condition, then execute this. If this condition is false, then again execute the else part. Then up to you can write number of blocks or statements in this if else, if else, if else and condition, okay. So we take a simple example for the if statement, okay, if else statement. Like we have to find odd and even numbers, okay. So we can write program for the same program first, odd, even, okay. Then simply we have to mention our load IO stream, then using namespace space std, this is our main, int main, okay. Then in this you take a in type a variable, okay. Then you want the value of this a, then you take cout. In this enter a number to check whether it is odd or whether it is even. So we need a number na, so by the cout you can at the runtime you able to user provide the input number, okay. Then by the scene you are able to get this number is direct, this number value of this, so you take input for this. Then you have to apply the selection condition, means if in this bracket here is a condition, what is the case of even? Even is that which is divisible by completely divisible by 2, okay, remainder is 0. So if a number we taken input is mod is equal to 0, if completely divisible means that number is completely divisible by 2, then you have to no need to write here curly bracket, because automatic this next line of this condition is attached with this, automatically executed. Then even number. If this condition fail, if this condition falls, then you have to write else part, else, then you have to mention in cout number is odd. Okay, then after completion, after successful termination of the program, return 0, return the value to the main 0. Okay, then close the main. Understand? Let we have to integer type variable a, we have to take a value whether it is odd or even. So for this we provide input. Suppose I take 5. Okay, then 5 not completely divisible by 2, then this part is automatically skip, and in the output we got number is odd. Okay, if 6 is there, then this is completely divisible by 2, and output we got number is even. So this is the simple program for the if else statements, odd even. In the next, or suppose in this, I can erase this, erase this. Then in the next, so the next example for this will be in the, so take next example. If you find this is the program for input output. Okay, if you want to find max and min, only small change in this same program is this. Here int main, here you provide the a, this is, here you have defined 2 number b. Okay, then enter the number, then a and b take from the user as input. Then you have to apply condition here, if a greater than b, then cout will be what is, if a greater than b, then a is maximum, then maximum number is equal to, then you have to here write a. Okay, else if this condition is false, then else part will be executed, this part. Here the output is the maximum number is equal to b, and then return 0, successful termination, and then close main. There are lots of example, odd, even, maximum, minimum, and as per your requirement by use of the if selection based positive negative. If you want to positive negative, then again I can write here, if you want positive, negative or 0, if you take input from the if you take a single number, then you want to what is that type, it is positive number, it is negative number or a 0 number, then you have to write simple if else statements. After the main int main, okay, you have to initialize here a, and you want the value of this, that then only we able to tell, what is actually that, it is a positive or a negative or a 0. Okay, so we take value of this. So for the value we have to cout enter number. Okay, then by the scene we take the input. At that point we got the value of a. Okay, then we have to apply a selection condition. If a equal to 0, if a value is 0, then what is the output? Number is 0. Okay, else if again a condition, if a is greater than 0, then the cout is positive number, then the cout is positive. Okay, else less than 0, if you want to write here, that means you know nothing. A greater than 0, then this is okay. Else means this condition is false, means automatically you able to a value is automatically less than 0, that means negative here. So here you don't write any condition, that means cout here it is a negative number, then return 0, close. Okay, so hope you got the concept of if else statements. We take 3 example: odd even number, maximum minimum, positive, negative or 0 numbers. You can easily write the 3 programs if you got the concept. Don't mug up the all things, just if you know the basic na, then you can write every program easily. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Thank you.